Today I am in Kaza and this is mass.
This is the highest altitude gas station in the world.
Yeah, man. Today I'm in Kaza, in the town of Kaza, which is located in Himachal Pradesh, in the northern parts of India. And I just left Manali and I'm now in Spiti Valley. And this is what they call desert mountains. And they look really amazing. And now we're making our way to the Key Monastery, or monastery. Mad Mass.
Hello.
And we're traveling for 2 months today, so we're celebrating by living with the monks.
Yeah. Hope they feel frisky.
I hope not. Hitchhiking now.